Want to start a new career? Want a clear path for your professional development? Want to start working now and not after spending years at college or a trade school? Then we've got a great opportunity for you. The Gurley Leep Tech Apprenticeship Program. Our program is a no experience necessary one-year course that takes you from complete beginner all the way to certified technician. Along the way, you'll be provided hands-on training, a mentor to help guide you, and a clear 3-level plan to help you succeed. At level 1, you'll start off with an hourly wage and be given the opportunity to perform basic maintenance tasks. After 3 months, you'll have a performance review with your mentor and service manager, where they'll determine whether you've completed all the requirements to advance to level 2. Upon reaching level 2, you'll earn a $250 bonus, along with an increase to your hourly rate. You'll also be able to perform more complex maintenance tasks. After 6 months pass, you'll be up for another performance review to determine whether you're ready for level 3. At level 3, you'll receive another increase to your hourly wage and a $500 bonus. You'll also be able to perform even more complex tasks. On your 1-year anniversary, you'll be up for your final performance review of the program. If you completed all the requirements, you'll receive a $1,000 bonus. Additionally, we believe in giving our employees every chance to succeed. So after your graduation from the program, you'll receive reimbursement for up to $1,000 worth of tools purchased in your first year working, and a change from an hourly rate to a flat rate. This means you'll be paid per job instead of per hour. With the year of mentorship and training, as well as your new status as certified technician, we're confident that a flat rate will be a great benefit to your professional career. Visit GurleyLeap.com to launch your new career today.